to the Action Politics Discussion Show as in the heart on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV. Una remember from December 15th, we'll be telling us, say, everything don't turn double, sake of say, we carry our two legs and that gidigba on top of Go TV, channel 98. So whether you're there for Lafia or you're there for Afipo, anywhere where you're there, even as far as Damaturu, make you there watch the action program when we say, if they talk about the issues when they affect us for inside of Obodo Nigeria, the way when the team be. My name na Ezu Gochokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabi well. I want Ogbonge visitor when we say anytime when he show face, the matter as usual, they really hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to the Porridge edition, the sequel edition of our program. Will be as the hot. Well, we'll give that all the information of which we will talk from Monday, enter Thursday, and also come top them up with one or two current information with the trend for Obodo Nigeria. Today's one no go different, and our guest today for us also Chukma to also help us analyze and break down the issues one by one. For those of now where they watch us for Go TV channel 98, our phone line they very open for now to do it, for now to Chukma for this matter. Me now also do it. Me now also contribute. Make we know as we go take do it collectively move this country forward. My name never say change. My name now Unkubi and this now as it hot.
Our Ogbonge visitor today. Now waiting. Now person when say they don't fit describe him for pidgin. Or even people will call a man of many parts. I go add say him be also a man of many degrees and characters. He get enchanting physiognomy. That is to say, if you see him, you must know who him be. Him be unrepentant person when they talk true. That is to say, no matter the number of Ghana must go when you carry come. If true, not true, him go yarn am the thing the way when the thing be. Him they call himself Omo Iya Eleja. But we they call him political analyst par excellence. We there with Ogagbola Oba, the entrepreneur.
Make we just collect. I know. I know where you.
Where the porridge? The thing wey una take bring me today, make una no do me for one night. No. Porridge edition. When I hear porridge, and I like porridge.
We go always say, we go do that
we go start the porridge very soon. And we go begin with the first one. On Monday, as we usually do, we call them the tier rubber edition. All of the action story will happen inside Obodo Nigeria for weekend. The action ones, we go carry and come. And this Monday went past, so we get Ogalio Ezekiel, veteran journalist. He join us inside studio to follow us discuss the high points from the weekend. We don't need to go too far. You get 3 stories when we say they come out, they carry first for that weekend. The first one get to do with the gbege wey happen between the Shite sect for inside Zaria and our soldier people. You get gist when come out when we say the chief of army staff, they carry say they want assassinate them. And based on say our army people must do everything to ensure say they maintain law and order. They can engage the Shite sect members for some kind of smoke gbege, and the thing results in plenty things. People don't carry different gist about the matter. They talk for against, and plenty people for Nigeria don't talk say, okay, we'll make government look into this matter quick, so that we go find lasting solution to this particular problem. Now, one of the issues when we discuss on Monday, we also talk about the small chop when they do for inside Abuja, when Oga Presido can stand up, can talk say with the implementation of the 2016 budget, say unemployment will become 18 of the past. Whether this one are just ordinary talk or whether I mean we discussed that one too on Monday. We can't top them up with the talk when we say the Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Sokoto talk, Matthew Kuka, he mean talk say person like Nnamdi Kanu, when we say plenty people they come out to show support from him. Obondo say no give them money. Say it good make government sit down. No be say they go use force discuss this matter. Say they use jete the way when they say that they talk for Chinese proverb make the thing they very easy. All these ones now the action to the when we carry come on Monday when we discuss with Ogalio Ezekiel be that.
And on Tuesday straight up we can carry the matter enter into waiting our president talk. For one dinner away, who they organize for Defense Service Staff College for Wellington inside Abuja, and for that same they will carry one Ogbonge guest will be person will be say when it comes to talk about business idea and how you fit take develop your business. This person be expert. Ogachin also Ubogo. Now in come that day we can't look into the matter. According to what Oga President talk for that dinner, he talks say look say if they release 2016 budget, say look say the issue of unemployment. Go be waiting, go be 18 of the past. Say Nigeria not even worry about that. Say they will find solution to that particular matter. People can look and say, hey, this talk that is coming from our president, that this is a very inspiring talk, a very sweet one. Say if our president do that is stick to this way talk, say that is our country, Nigeria go better. But some people can also look and say, look, oh, we know just they hear this talk, we don't they hear and overpass. That is our past leaders, don't they even tell us all this story. Say things will better. We never still see them, especially when it comes to unemployment matter. Our guests that they also come talk, say, look, oh, there are two things we need to first address, because if they talk, say, employment, say, work, no, there, and all that, make we first address them from two major ways. And we take on and say, make we need to define our educational sector. Also need to define the number of people where they are within Nigeria. That is our data. So at least with these two major things, we go feel yes, we go feel define as we take put things in place.
On Wednesday, based on say Monday no go dey enough to discuss the issue wey happen inside Zaria, we can't give 60 minutes to this particular issue. Can't discuss them from left, go reach right, from top to bottom. And we get Comrade Murphy Abadoni. Comrade Murphy Abadoni join us to discuss the gbege wey happen for inside Zaria and the latest inside the matter. He get one disturbing image wey surface online of the Oga Patapata of the Shite sect for inside Zaria. So Oga Ibrahim El Zakzaki, they be show the man say in dey on top of wheelbarrow when they talk say after our soldier people enter inside in Kaban, come tidy plenty things inside that particular place. A lot of people come dey talk say e get the way when we say our soldier people them suppose manage this particular issue, make the thing no go out of hand. Based on say religion, now one particular issue when we say they cause plenty talk for inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. Indication can emerge say they can set up special panel of inquiry to look into the matter, because we don't hear the gist from our soldier people, we don't hear from the sect members them, but it go good make we hear the one when we say they balanced and fair, so that Nigerians go really know the truth. Because not be just that weekend when that thing happened, and be the first time when it happened. People go recall say for October of 2014, some kind of issue like that don't self happen under the administration of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, when we say them in talk, say them buy some of the sons of Oga Ibrahim El Zakzaki. And we they appeal to Nigerians, say everything one would they do, make would they put Nigeria first. It's very, very important, because Nigeria belongs to all of us. That's now Wednesday gist.
Yes, and yesterday will be Thursday, we can't carry and enter into another important issue we say right about now. Now one of the leading issues where they trend for Obodo Nigeria, and what we talk about, the $2.1 billion money where we say where don't like say it don't develop like Maradona level. That is a lot of people don't they do it, don't pass on to themselves. You don't even can spread out network. And now what we talk about yesterday be that I'll come to look say yes with the current way where this investigation they go. Say with the way they say black say Oga Mohammed Buhari they indeed they ensure say yes say the issue of corruption say with the truly fight them, because as the something don't they go, we don't they spread tentacles, people don't they get other people where they involved, and they don't they gather these people come forward at least to question them on top of this matter. But still people going to talk say hey, this matter that you are mattering, or rather this matter that you are seeing, make it not just be saying the end. We all they see different monkey hand from different way, different angles, all they stretching, they put hand to make sure say that matter will not see the end. But some people still feel say yes, so Oga Muhammad Buhari, we talk say fighting of corruption has come to stay. Say he will definitely fight am. So make we see as this matter will go.
We no go far. We don't discuss all of the issues where we carry come from Monday go reach Thursday. We get ogbonge visitor when we say, he go follow us, Chukma for inside this matter, break them down. When we come finish, we go check some of the current things when they happen inside Obodo, Nigeria. Ogagbola, but once again, we go thank you, say, as we extend our invitation, give you carry waka, say you won't come join us on top of Aside Hot to discuss all these particular issues.
To eat porridge.
For the porridge level. Maybe we start with the first spoon. And the first spoon get to do with the talk when we say Oga Presido talk. Say for 2016, when we implement the budget, say the budget gets some kind of things when we say if we put them in motion, unemployment will become 18 of the past. Plenty Nigerians don't they wonder, say it be like say the caterer when do the small chops. When they chop that evening, say maybe he put something inside, because as the president take talk the thing they very easily come off for him out. Remembering say Oga Presido be done the talk and say anybody when get one belt make he go buy two. If he get to make he go buy three, sake of say 2016 go be very, very tough year. If you go already they talk and say make everybody they rest assured. Say if they implement the 2016 budget, say unemployment go become 18 of the past. The same unemployment when say you don't get 6 packs inside of Obodo Nigeria. I won't make you use your experience as an elder statesman. Make you just look this matter, make you talk, make you not be like say now wash. Now in the talk be to us.
I say I don't beg you, so they make you leave this thing where you they smoke. Now we they call elder statesman. We are rich elder statesman. Okay, anyway, make we talk to you where you they talk. And you say okay, pity your friend. We don't go lose out. Find the spirit of this
Marvin Ye. Though I will always contain him.
I don't cast away the spirit of all this thing from the body. You know, for Dragon, yeah, they boy your body. Oga Presido, they talk for waiting Oyibo people they call informal
setting.
Informal setting. No be saying and read down for book. When government officials, you get one thing where we supposed to elect our people for house, no. When senior government officials, when they read something, that thing where they read, now so many heads go into them, and then they make sure, say the thing where they read, they near the vision, direction, policy, and reality of this thing than when human being stand, in just talk. They talk extempore. It is a one knock by front teeth come out. Now extempore, Oyibo people they call am. They talk extempore. The thing be say when person they talk extempore, no be everything when you talk. Na he go enter book. I won't believe say president they talk extempore. For the other time when you give that, when you make that remark. You must remember, say, the president where God give us now, God bless him with, he gets sobriety of spirit. He be man where be say, if you leave wine here, you leave butter here, you can't leave Igbekere here. You go prefer Igbekere, in lifestyle. Or people go say ascetic man. Man, that asceticism, he gonna make Nigerians, make we respect him a lot. Say no be wobia man. But as good as that one day for him good public image, kini gomba jawo eje one small thing he spoil this thing. Na him be say he no know how to talk off record. He no be he no get what the thing where Igbo people they call the gift of the gab. And one person no get the gift of the gab. If you want mark am strictly and stringently to the thing where as in talk am, you go there on fear. Okay. So I won't believe, you must remember saying that the same president say Boko Haram go one
because as they talk, extempore statement don't plenty from our government.
So make una today.
It don't plenty. And the Nigerians
remember
don't know
the journey to America.
Now it's after done plenty. Extempore. So, but Nigerians go, they take all these extempore talk serious. Past say they read from book.
We brothers and we sisters we there around them. Supposed to turn the tell am say Oga Presido. This thing make you.
They are just make you.
But people where they around these people too. The shop where they go shop, go let them say.
Won't tell her the truth.
So I will never see him before. We don't see him with Obasanjo when they do like cowboy presidency. They shoot from the hips everywhere. We don't see him from Jonah when Jonah self go. Now the failure of professionalism, especially around the people
we surround them,
where they manage.
Okay, but Oga Golaba, make we admit say all this kind talk say maybe you just the freestyle all those, but we will face this particular issue now. Now
the budget.
The budget.
The thing where in talk.
No, they realistic.
They realistic.
What of if they put certain things in place?
No.
Chukudi, if they talk about certain things in place, now this same Oga Presido come and talk, say, look, say make we tie our bet well ahead of 2016.
Chukudi.
No, because of the present reality.
In this case, you don't the contrast. The matter don't the contrast. We don't know what we go hold on to.
My brother, Uncle Obi, make we no lose our teeth, waste saliva on top of the economy where they do well pass now globally. by global rating. Now, him be the American economy now. You know, even when everything dey as it dey, wey wolo, they sleep with wala. American economy itself, it still get, you know, the barest minimum level of unemployment, and they still get 5% unemployment. How person go come say everybody? Look, if you could yourself look, a number of programs, some programs dey inside the budget, wey go help, like Oloyinbo people go talk, dem go say e go help galvanize economic activities. You see, if you wan feed all the primary school pikin, some people must farm the food wey dem go eat.
Exactly.
So it means say there go be need to increase activities in the agricultural sector.
Exactly.
And when you want to increase activities in the agricultural sector, especially in a setting like our own, where never too dey mechanized, more hands go dey engaged. Abi? Other policies dey too, wey inside the budget, wey go help ginger the increase. You know, say in the last 5 years now, this 2016 budget, e go take capital expenditure, e go take am comot from the average 15 to 20% wey we don dey see in the last like 5 years. E go take am go up, go reach 30%. E mean say capital projects, like say dem dey build roads, like say dem dey build bridges, like say dem dey build gutter, like say dem dey build housing, like say dem dey invest for this thing, e go up because the percentage inside budget don increase. That one naturally too, if dem dey build road, dem go employ more hands. Even as we get problem of skill set, you know, say we get fundamental problem of skill set for Nigeria. Now, even as we get problem of skill set, dem go employ Maberemu construction workers, big garawa construction workers, dem go employ. And you know, say where people concentrate, they do HOB, they do agbari work, people where they sell akara, people where they sell water, people where go sell food, dem go get this thing. So some policies dey inside the budget, wey go lift up economic activities, wey go bring more people into paid employment and whatever.
Okay.
But where I sit now, even plus including, like Chief Jebediah will talk, even plus including all these things wey go happen, you know, a person know the, you know, Agbalagba for Yoruba land, if he see Malu, they run come, and he know say Malu in hand, he go dey tell you say, Emma Malu, if they take sense, they run go this and
But Ogangola,
so,
for the sake of
today.
optimism, make we just do
I'm not go drag am with you. If you want sleep there.
No. This final one. This final one. For the sake of optimism, based on say, no be the problem we face today now, according to the National Bureau of Statistics, say see the percentage when unemployment day, even if not to reduce them by 10% or highest, okay, 10%. You not think say some of the things when we say then go do when they inside this budget go fit at least by 10% come out unemployment.
You know, say this now different thing now. You know, say the one where you just
no, because of say he say pursue, but we can't look so okay. Make we just express optimism in the first place.
You know, here the thing. You know, here the thing we are just analyze. I say some programs for the budget. It go help increase economic activities. Increased economic activities go lead to higher employment than the one where we get now.
Yeah.
So we go see improvements.
Well, no be here at all.
So make we get hope.
No be here at talk. But you see, from where me dey now, Chukudi, upon these programs where they don't put for budget, wey be say this na public sector activities. Person like me wey be entrepreneur for which say we also put major policy frames in place wey go encourage the sleeping entrepreneurial power of Nigerians to take come in the market and to do that. Let me give you a typical example. This one go shock you. Chukwudi, the total value of the economic activities in our country now.
Oga Goloba, abeg, they give us sign from abeg, you go need to relax because I know that point where you won't drop it. They very, very important. Before our guest drop that point, make we do it and make we go allow and drink small water so that enough ginger go there for him to talk with him. He won't talk. Make we enter market.
Na porridge.
I know.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.